So here we have my niece checking out her Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet fragrance for women. Now, of course, with a high-end perfume like Christian Dior, it comes very well packaged and a good-looking bottle with a nice spray. But most important, let's go over the fragrance. So she says it's very light, it has a floral scent, and it's not overwhelming. It's not in your face. When she sprayed it on her arm and I was standing, and even though we were outdoors, the scent stayed around. She sprayed a little bit on her wrist, and I was probably maybe 5-6 feet away, and I got a pleasant fragrance from that distance, even though we were outside on a little bit of a breezy day. So she says she enjoys it. It's not overwhelming. It's a pretty bottle, she says, and sometimes that's just as important. And the brand name speaks for itself. So that's Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet.